You wanted to meet new people and make meaningful connections. So you got Nouri. Welcome. You've got the app, so now what? Well, now you need to create an account, either using one of these options or using your email. Awesome. Now, once you're in, you can head over to the Profile tab and complete your profile. Some of this information may already be filled in, so all you need to do is add some details and photos. So easy. One pro tip is using tags and notes so that people can recognize your profile much easier. This also helps them get to know you faster. Now, when you exchange information, use the Share Profile feature on your Home tab. Now that you're exchanging information, you'll notice a couple more tools on the Home tab. You can use Nouri to scan business cards, or you can add connections in a few different ways. The first way is to import selected contacts from your phone. By importing contacts, you can see who you know at events. The second way is to fill out information manually that you already know. And the third way is to scan a QR code of a friend who already has Nouri. You're already off to a great start being better connected.